you're really involved with Focus TV. Tell me a little how you got involved.
Well, I started working with Andy Waldman about a year or so ago. He found me on Instagram and was inspired by all the little pictures of the details that I used to post, of little baby showers, birthday parties, and whatnot. And ever since, I've been really involved with Andy, Focus Magazine, as well as Focus Events. And we're actually launching, my company's now launching a new app called Reserve Tonight, and we're gonna be offering press coverage by Focus.
So you have a new app that's launching. What's the name of that app again?
It's called Reserve Tonight, and you can actually download it right now.
And what do you get when you download this? What's the point of it?
It's a way to simplify the event planning process. So you're able to reserve restaurants, bottle service, as well as event planning services, and everything in between, such as floral design, rentals, anything you can think of that you could possibly need for your upcoming party, no matter how big or small it is.
Well, we're gonna download it tonight, and my next event is gonna be put on by Tally.
So exciting. Thank you, Sandy.
Thank you, Tally. We love you at Focus Magazine.
I love you guys too.